we'll guide you through how to use DaVinci Resolve shortcuts to speed up your editing workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop. Now, to see the most common keyboard shortcuts, go to the top menu and click on DaVinci Resolve. Then select Keyboard Customization. This will open the keyboard customization window where you can view all the default shortcuts. For example, the shortcut for cutting a clip is Command+B on Mac or Control+B on Windows. To play or pause the video, use the spacebar. If you need to zoom in on the timeline, press Command++ or Control++. To quickly switch between the edit and color pages, use Shift+4 and Shift+6 respectively. If you want to customize these shortcuts, you can do so directly in the keyboard customization window. Simply click on a specific action and press the keys you want to assign. This flexibility allows you to tailor the shortcuts to your own editing style. Remember, using shortcuts can significantly speed up your editing process, making it easier to handle complex projects efficiently. It's a good idea to practice these shortcuts regularly until they become second nature. You can even print out a list of your most used shortcuts to have on hand as a reference. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.